Hi, welcome to Rosie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make peanut soup. Peanut soup. The Tree people will say Inkati Kwine. The Gan people will say Inkati Wono. Come on, welcome to my kitchen. I've got my fried fish, my meat, my onion, my ginger, my garlic, my pepper, cube, tomato paste, shaki, willy, which is cow skin, peanut butter, and tomato. I've got 2 canned tomato which I'm going to use. Now I've got my peanut which I've mixed with water and I put on fire. I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes, which at the end I will see a bit of oil at the top, which will tell me my peanut butter is ready. Yeah, now I'm washing my meat with some lemon. I'll finish with it. I'm washing it. I've washed my meat twice. Yeah, I've washed my meat twice. And now washing it with some lemon. I'm trying to wash it twice. Now I'm going to put everything in the pot and put some seasoning. Then I'll start with my peanut soup. I've got 1 big onion which I've cut into 2, and I'm using just half to chop them into pieces and then put it in, add it to the meat. I'm going to add it to the meat, and then the other half I'll put it in the soup, and then when it's a bit softer I'll blend it. Yeah, now I'm going to add all-pepper seasoning. I'm adding all-pepper seasoning. I've added a bit of salt to raise salt to taste. So I'm going to put it on fire. Yeah, my peanut butter is cooking. You can see the oil at the top. Yeah, my meat is still on fire. It's still cooking. I'm cooking it for like about 10 minutes. From there, I'm going to put my ginger, my garlic, my pepper, and my onion. That's the half onion I've put on it. I have to leave it to cook for like another 5 minutes, and I'll take it out and blend it. Yeah, I'm taking my onion out. That's the half onion, my pepper, and half of the ginger, and then my garlic. I'm going to blend it with my tomato, and I'll pour everything in the meat. I've got my cube, just 1 cube, and I'm going to add my tomato paste. I'm going to add my tomato paste. It was just a spoon tomato paste. I'm mixing everything together and leave it to cook for just only 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my cow skin and my shaki, and I'm going to leave it to cook for like about another 5 minutes, and I'll come back to add the rest of the ingredients. Yeah, now I'm going to add my blended tomato, my onion, my garlic, and then my ginger. I've blended everything together. I've poured it in the meat, leaving it to cook for another 5 minutes. Now I'm adding my peanut butter. It's cooked, it's ready. I'm adding my peanut butter now, and I'm going to mix it, add a bit of water, and mix it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm adding my garden egg, just only 1 garden egg and 3 okra, which I've added to the soup, and I'm going to leave it to cook for another adding my fish now, my fried fish. I'm adding it. So now everything that I need to add it to my soup, I've put everything in there. So I'm just going to leave it to cook for like another 10 minutes. The soup is boiling. Soup is coming to an end. If you come to this kitchen and you get the aroma in this kitchen, it's so amazing. This is really going to be delicious. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like to my channel. I'll see you again another time. Bye.